What if I told you that crypto isn't dead? It's just getting started. Even after all the ups and downs, crypto is still one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. But how do you actually make money with it? In this video, I'm breaking down how to make money with crypto in 2025, step by step. Whether you're a total beginner or already investing, these strategies will show you how to profit from crypto the smart way, without taking crazy risks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to invest, trade, earn passive income, and find hidden opportunities in the crypto space. Let's get started. What is crypto and why should you care? Before we talk about how to make money, let's cover the basics. Crypto, digital money. Unlike traditional cash, crypto is decentralized, meaning no banks or governments control it. Bitcoin is just the beginning. Yes, Bitcoin is the most famous, but there are thousands of other crypto projects with real-world value. Crypto isn't just a trend. Big companies, financial institutions, and even countries are integrating crypto into their systems. So, if you think you missed the boat, think again. Crypto is still in its early stages. Let's talk about how you can make money with it. 1. Long-term investing, HODLing, the easiest strategy. If you're new to crypto, long-term investing is the safest and simplest way to profit. The idea? Buy and hold. Step 1. Pick strong, established cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano are great starting points. Step 2. Buy and hold for 3 to 5 years. Crypto is volatile, but historically, long-term investors win. Step 3. Dollar cost average, DCA. Instead of investing all at once, buy a little each week or month to reduce risk. Example: if you bought Bitcoin at $1,000 in 2017, you'd have made over 50x your money by 2021. Pro tip: store your crypto in a secure hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for long-term safety. 2. Trading crypto for short-term profits. Want to make money faster? Crypto trading might be for you. There are 2 main types. Day trading. Buying and selling crypto within the same day to profit from price movements. Swing trading. Holding crypto for days or weeks before selling at a profit. Here are some steps on how to trade crypto. Like a pro step. 1. Use trading platforms like Binance, Coinbase Pro, or Qcoin. Step 2. Study candlestick patterns and technical indicators like RSI and MACD. Step 3. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trading is risky, so use stop-loss orders to limit losses. 3. Staking. Earn passive income from crypto. Want free money just for holding crypto? Staking is the answer. Staking is like earning interest on your crypto. You lock up your coins to help secure the blockchain, and in return, you get paid in more crypto. Here is how it works. Step 1. Pick a staking coin. Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano all offer great staking rewards. Step 2. Use staking platforms like Binance, Kraken, or Ledger Live. Step 3. Earn 5-20% APY just for holding your crypto. Example: if you stake $1,000 worth of Solana at 7% APY, you'll earn $70 per year, passively. Pro tip: the longer you stake, the higher your rewards, but make sure you understand lockup periods. 4. Yield farming. High risk, high reward passive income. Yield farming is like staking on steroids. It involves lending your crypto on decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to earn massive interest rates. Here is how it works. Step 1. Use platforms like Aave, Compound, or PancakeSwap. Step 2. Deposit your crypto and earn interest from borrowers. Step 3. Some platforms offer 50-100% APY or more. Warning: DeFi is risky. Always research before investing. 5. Crypto gaming and NFTs make money while playing. Did you know you can play games and earn crypto? Play-to-Earn P2E games. Games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Gods Unchained let you earn real money. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, digital art, collectibles, and gaming assets that can be bought, sold, and traded for profit. Metaverse land investing. People are buying virtual real estate in platforms like Decentraland and making huge profits. If you love gaming, this could be an easy way to make money with crypto. 6. Finding hidden crypto gems before they blow up. Imagine if you bought Shiba Inu before it exploded. Finding early crypto projects can lead to huge gains, but it requires research. Step 1. Check new projects on CoinMarketCap, Twitter, and Reddit. Step 2. Look for cryptos with real-world use cases and strong teams. Step 3. Invest small amounts in early-stage projects. Just remember, high risk yield high reward. Only invest what you can afford to lose. So, which strategy is right for you? Now you know 6 powerful ways to make money with crypto in 2025. HODLing for long-term gains. Trading for short-term profits. Staking for passive income. Yield farming for high rewards. Gaming and NFTs for fun earnings. Finding hidden crypto gems before they explode. Which strategy excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.